Hi family, welcome back to Cooking with Abba, and today we're going with some finesse. We're going with something fun you can have as appetizer, and this is very easy ones you can make, and I'm going to make this with Chef Ben, and all you need is actually your smoked fish, tuna, salmon, anyone that works for you, some vegetables, some cream as well, and some lemon in there. So we're using cream in there. The description button has all the ingredients in there. And shout outs to Chef Ben Jifar. Yes, so he's the one who is actually teaching us how to make this as well. And if you've not watched our video we did earlier on with the meatballs, you can check that out as well. So you want to mix out the cream. I think we used two flavors. One was a bit more sour, a bit more something. Yes, but you can check it out. So we mixed the cream and you put it in the chopped onions. The chopped onion is supposed to give you some sort of texture and also add up to it. And you use a bit of lemon juice. Yes, fresh lemon juice is also going in there. So that acidity is going to also balance things up in the cream cheese as well. Then you're going to mix this up. Make sure that your onion is very fine, and you're going in with some black pepper and white pepper as well. That is going to give it the aromatic vibes in there. And you're adding in some salt as well. So for the salt, you can use any type of salt, but in this video we were using the Himalayan salt, and we added in a bit more spice as well. So a bit of pepper powder, garlic dip, any type of spice you kind of like. That kind of also adds up to the flavor profile in there as well. And we're just going to mix this up gently and nicely. Yes, and you can taste it to be sure that everything is well balanced in there. For the fish, usually the smoked salmon is like easy and great to go with, but you can use any fish preference you like. Make sure that it's flaky, make sure that it's deboned, there's no bones in there. Yes, and if you want it spicy, make sure you spice it up. And if you want to know how to make your own salmon at home too, I have salmon recipes on the channel, how to fillet it, how to bake it out, how to work with it. So you can check that out as well. So we're putting in the flaked almond smoked fish into the cream base we've actually made right now, and you're going to mix everything out. Now this is so easy. We are actually almost done with the whole recipe in there. So you're just going to mix this till everything comes together. You can actually use shrimps or any other seafood or any protein you kind of like, which is light, because this is supposed to be an appetizer. And then we used in some dill. A good amount of dill goes in there, so this gives you a whole vibe in there. Leave a bit of the dill for finishing touches as well. Yes, and you're going to mix everything together. So this is very easy, very simple to do. This one is nothing complicated. And sometimes, don't just do the local things. Add a little bit of this finesse kind of twist to your meals to give it that kind of different vibe in there, that kind of restaurant vibe. So this is traditional popular Finnish bread type, and it's made from rye, and it has a bit more flavorings and stuff, so it's kind of heavy, but we're cutting it into sizable finger bites because this is like a finger bite kind of appetizer. But you can use any bread preference of your choice. You can also make some croutons. Yes, you can actually decide to make some croutons as well. If you have bread, old bread, you can actually sprinkle a bit of olive oil and then bake it out to dry it out, or put some butter on, bake it out to dry it out. So it depends on what you want to do it with. But make sure that your bread sizes are finger bite so that you can just pick one and put it into your mouth. So we just putting it up on top of it, and so every bite you take, you are getting the bread base, or if you want to use croutons, you can use croutons, and then you get the cream base, you get the fish, you get the dill, you get the onion and everything in there. And like I mentioned, you can actually make this with even shrimps, but usually light seafood kind of works because this is supposed to be a light thing in your mouth, a light starter in there. Yes, and you can also top this up with chopped tomatoes to give it that finesse and that color. And tomatoes is also good like acidity, so that also balances the flavor profiles in there as well. Then you can actually serve this out, like you can enjoy this in your movie night, and then when you are giving yourself that good treat, so I hope you did like this video. I hope you did learn a lot. For us, we did enjoy this with some warm gloggy over some movie night as well. So next time you're hosting some friends and you're thinking of what to do, you can actually do this fun, simple recipe and save yourself the stress and have a lot of time to enjoy the good times with people. So I see you in the next food moment. Do live life to the fullest. Be joyous, be merry. Lots of love for my team and I.